Hi children, this is your social ma'am. Today we are going to see the next part, social and political life 2. In that chapter 1 on equality. So these are all the contents we are going to see in this chapter. Introduction, equal right to vote, other kinds of equality, recognizing dignity, equality in Indian democracy, issues of equality in other democracies, challenge of democracy. What does mean by democracy? A system in which the government of a country is elected by the people. So the people can select their leader. What are the key elements of a democratic government needed? People's participation. If conflict occurs, we need resolution, we need equality, and we need justice. In this chapter, we are going to see about equality. What is it, equality? Why it is important in a democracy? Whether or not everyone is equal in India. See that story 1. Refer page number 4 and 5. Kanda. Learn the story of Kanda. On the storyboard, you can see the people from different backgrounds are standing in single line, one after another, to the purpose of voting. Kanda felt happy to see that everyone are equal. She also voted. But note that children, her daughter wasn't ill. Is your mother will do? But this is the duty we need to vote. While she was standing in the line to meet the doctor in the government hospital, she felt too bad because only the poor people are standing in the line. So the evening time, she took her daughter to the government hospital. There, she was identified the people, those who are standing in that line are poor. So she raised one question: where is the equality? Equal right to vote. In a democratic country like India, all the adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. What happened to the government hospital? Please think of it. Like Kanda, we have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Apart from being poor, people in India experiences inequality in different ways. Example, caste system. We have taught that village people are strict in their caste system comparing to urban or town. See this newspaper. What do you think about this? Advertisement from the leading newspaper. See that different types of caste. And also see that another example for this caste system. Experiences of a Dalit child. Dalit means broken. Dalit is a term used to describe the lower caste. Refer page number 7 and 8. So this is the story you want to read. Om Prakash Valmiki, 1950 to 2013, is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography, Juthan, he writes, I had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have to sit way behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 6, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes, the playground was way larger than my small physique could handle, and in cleaning it, my back began to ache. My face was covered with dust. Dust had gone inside my mouth. The other children in my class were studying and I was weeping. Headmaster was sitting in the classroom and watching me. I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. I swept this whole day from the doors and windows of the schoolrooms. The eyes of the teachers and the boys saw this spectacle. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days, and this only came to an end when his father, who happened to be passing by, saw his son sweeping. He confronted the teachers and then walking away from the school holding Om Prakash's hand. He said loudly for all of them to hear, "You're a teacher, so I'm leaving now. But remember, this match master will study right here in this school. And not just him, but there will be more coming after him." See that next slide. One more example for this caste system. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. It is a story about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city with the help of property dealer. They visited one apartment. That landlady hears their name and said, "We do not have any non-vegetarian here." But they could smell fish being cooked in the neighbor's house. Like they visited more than houses, everyone rejected. So the property dealer said that better you can change your name as Kumar. Then we will get it. They were hesitant to change their names, but at last they got the apartment. Recognizing dignity. These are the reasons why people are treated unequally. Caste, religion, male or female. So, Om Prakash and Ansari are being treated unequally because of caste and religion. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Remember that Om Prakash, making him to sweep the school. For that Ansari refused to lease apartment, and also that property dealer asked to change their name. Equality in Indian democracy. So, you want to know what is meant by constitution. Constitution is a set of laws or principles may be written or unwritten on which a country is acknowledged to be governed. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Equality in Indian democracy. Every individual in the country, including male and female persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. There was no law to protect the people from discrimination and ill treatment earlier. But now, after the Constitution came, every person is equal before the law. No person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are male or female. Every person has access to all public places, including hotels, shops, markets, etc. So, the government has tried to implement the equality in the following ways: through laws, through government programs or schemes to help the poor people. For example, midday meal scheme in Tamil Nadu was the first state in India to introduce this scheme in 2001. Issues of equality in other democracies. African Americans were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through law. For example, Rosa Parks was an African American woman. She refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white man. At last, civil rights movement had started. The Civil Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. Challenge of democracy. So, no country can be described as being completely democratic. The struggle for the recognition of all persons as equal and for their dignity to be maintained. Still, it's going on. Learn yourself and improve your knowledge. How many articles are there in our Indian Constitution? Have you noticed any other persons were treated unequally in your surroundings? Read about Nelson Mandela and Ambedkar biography. Check your listening skill. Say one example of inequality. Das was famous Dalit writer. In which year midday meal scheme was started in Tamil Nadu? What is constitution? What are the ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality? Thank you, children.